In this video, we'll show you how to use our XCR barrel and conversion kit builders. To start with, you got to choose the right model of your XCR, whether it's an L or an M model, and then the right upper receiver length like standard, mid, competition, mini. We're going to use the XCR M Mini as our example here because it has some weird choices. You hit configure and then build your own, and that brings you to the builder. In the builder here, you got to know what your current caliber is. So let's say I'm shooting .308 and I've got a 16-inch barrel and I've got a Type 3 gas block. Some XCRs will have a Type 2 gas block with different length barrels. It'll automatically choose the gas system for me. I don't need to worry about that. And the brass deflector, I've got a newer rifle, so it's got the new Omni deflector, so I don't need one of those. Now I need to choose the caliber. Let's say I want to go to 8.6 blackout. I'm going from a long barrel to a short barrel. I'm going to say I want a 12-inch barrel. Then I choose I can't choose the barrel twist. That's the only twist with that. A new barrel contour, we only have one barrel contour with that. It chose automatically for us the new gas system length. With that particular system, you can only use the Type 3 gas block. I get my choice of muzzle brakes, and I get my choice of it automatically chooses another off rod for me, another gas tube, because we're going from a long gas system with the 16-inch barrel to a short gas system. It automatically, when you choose the 8.6 blackout, the gas system is going to be short. That's all there is to it. And we don't need a brass deflector because we showed up above that we had the newer brass deflector. So there's the price, and I can just order it. You can go the other way too. If you're let's say you had a barrel with a Type 2 gas block on it and you wanted a barrel with a Type 3 gas block, I'm going to choose 3.0. Actually, I'm going to choose 6.5, and I'm going to choose a 16-inch barrel. And here I'm going to choose I want a different type of gas block. And it shows you that based on what you had before, you're going to need a new op-rod gas tube to work with that new gas block in addition to the barrel. So you have your new total price with the parts you need. If there's any questions you have about how to use these builders, you can contact us. It's best to email tech, which is TECH @robarm.com. If you have any questions, if you have an older model, you can take pictures of it, and the instructions above, it tells you what to do if you have an older model that doesn't match any of the models we show. And you send us some pictures of your gun, and we can figure out what you need to do to convert that to a new barrel length or caliber. Anyway, thank you, and we appreciate your business.